check this out, yeah. So we've been in this hotel for 10 nights, right? And we've been hearing birds in the walls. And we're like, fucking hell, we need to complain to the hotel. Because it's not normal, like, it's just, I want my money back. For 10 days we've heard birds in the fucking wall, yeah? What the fuck? You'd think 10 days we've had this shit. Went to reception. Like, there's birds in the wall. Like, no, what do you mean? What do you mean? Check this out. It's fucked.
Hello.
What the fuck? It's a full moon!